The concept of time has been debated for centuries. Philosophers and scientists have tried to understand the nature of time and whether it really exists. While philosophers focus on the subjective nature of time, scientists look to the universe to try to explain its existence. This video will explore the concept of time from both a philosophical and a scientific perspective. It will first look at the philosophical perspective on time, including its subjective nature and how it relates to our perception of reality. It will then examine the scientific perspective on time, including its physical properties and how it relates to the laws of physics. Finally, it will conclude with a discussion of whether or not time really exists. Philosophical perspective on time. In philosophy, time is seen as an abstract concept. It is not something that can be seen or touched, but rather a concept that is used to measure and order events. Philosophers often refer to time as an ordering principle, meaning that it is used to sequence events in a logical order. This ordering principle can also be seen in terms of cause and effect. Events that happen in the present can have an effect on future events. The concept of time is also closely related to our perception of reality. Time can be seen as a way of ordering our experience of the world. We use time to measure the passage of events and to mark the changing of seasons. This helps us to make sense of our lives and to understand our place in the world. Time can also be seen as a way of measuring change. It helps us to understand how things are different from how they once were. This can be seen in terms of the aging process, as well as changes in technology and culture. Time can also be seen as a way of understanding the world around us and how it is constantly changing. Finally, time is related to our understanding of mortality. Time is finite, and our lives are limited by it. This can lead to feelings of despair and hopelessness, as well as a sense of urgency and a need to make the most of our time. Scientific perspective on time. In science, time is seen as a physical property. It is related to the laws of physics, such as the law of conservation of energy and the law of thermodynamics. It is also related to the motion of objects, as well as the speed of light. In terms of the universe, time is seen as a form of measurement that is used to describe the evolution of the universe. Time is also seen as a form of measurement for the passage of events. It is used to measure the speed at which objects move and the rate at which events occur. This is important for understanding the laws of physics, as well as the behavior of objects in the universe. In conclusion, time is an abstract concept that can be seen from both a philosophical and a scientific perspective. Philosophers view time as an ordering principle and a way of understanding our perception of reality. Scientists view time as a physical property that is related to the laws of physics and the motion of objects. Ultimately, it is impossible to know whether or not time really exists. However, it is clear that it is an important concept that shapes our understanding of the universe.